Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, you guys, so today we are in the yard today. We're gonna be planting my collard greens. Yes, ma'am.
I thought you were gonna look at the scary tree.
I'm coming, give me a second. Alright, but before we go into the garden, let me show you guys what this mole or gopher, whatever it is under the ground, has been doing to my front yard. Take a look. Is it a mole? I don't know what the hell this thing is, but we gotta find a way to get rid of it. Alright, you guys, so remember the fire we had in the sand? So we're gonna take the sand that we had the fire in and we're gonna put it over there because ash is really good for the garden, especially if your soil is acidic. So if you want to balance out the acidity with your soil, you want to add some ash to it. All right, so I think I'm going to put my collard greens over on that side closer to the Barbados cherry tree because I have a blueberry bush and blueberries love acidity. If the soil is too alkaline, the blueberry bush would die off. So yeah. Alright, so this is a mixture of cornstarch and baking soda. Baking soda. So cornstarch is really good for the garden. It keeps the pests away. And baking soda keeps the fungus away. So I'm gonna try to make a pesticides with this. I wasn't expecting to use the whole thing, but alright, you guys, so we're gonna break this up. Get it in the soil real good. And this is arugula. She has just been sitting in the pot and being patient with me. So we're gonna go ahead and get her in the ground too. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and put these pretty ladies in the ground. I don't know how I want to do this because collard greens can grow really, really, really big. So I really want to space them apart. Maybe I should add a row here too. And see how that goes. That'll tell me if the baking soda and
You already know this cut, right?
Well,
here, you can't pass through that.
So we're gonna bring it up a little bit. I'm expecting the ones around the compost to grow really, really well. Or it could backfire and it could be too much nutrients. Alright, y'all, so let's get it. Excuse me, sir. This house coming down. And as y'all can see, I am dressed very comfortably so I can move how I need to move. Alright, so first green going in the ground. How y'all think we finna do? So what I do want to do is put the original soil that it was in the ground.
So it can adapt?
Good job, yes, so it can adapt easily. Alright, there's one down.
Okay.
Alright, so we got one row.
Can I use Let's go find the obby that we can make. Oh, yeah.
And it's
obby over there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 collard greens in this pot. And when you are looking for plants, when you're buying plants, you want to buy the pot that looks the healthiest and has the most plants in it.
I don't think a store can have both of that at once.
Hmm?
I don't think a store will have both of that at once.
You don't think the store will have what?
A plant that's both healthy and has a lot of room in it.
Why not? If you look,
Because
you know
stores,
what you're looking for.
a lot of stores are cheap.
Mm.
Like, you know the store that our dad took me to on our birthday?
Mm-hmm.
He took me to this bakery.
Mm-hmm.
And, like, the store was so cheap that literally everything in the store was stale.
Was what?
Stale.
Was it?
Most of the expiration dates were either almost there or they were there. There was no in between.
Oh, yeah?
And then we bought some donuts from there for like a very high amount for what they're worth.
It was expensive?
Yeah, I think so. And then like they tasted so bad.
Why y'all didn't take them back?
We just threw them away. Those were disgusting.
Were they?
Yeah. Bro, I'm getting bit up on my leg.
How you getting bit up, dude?
I don't know. It's getting really itchy. So probably getting bit.
Today is beautiful here in Central Florida. I'm so used to saying South Florida.
Oh, we're in South Florida.
We're not. We're in Central Florida. Alright guys, I'm running out of room. Guys. Probably gonna make another patch over there. And we will see which patch does the best. And so far, this is my first time growing collard greens.
What are collard greens again?
You remember the collard greens that we ate for Thanksgiving?
Oh yeah, I did.
Alright you guys, so now we're on this side. We're going to extend the collard green patch because I want them to grow as big as they possibly can. So we're going to clear this area out.
Weren't the girls gonna do this?
No, they want to dig a hole. And look at this. This is wild lettuce.
Wow.
It's so good too. I'm gonna take that and take it in the house because I'm making some soup today, a veggie soup, and put that in the soup.
Recording.
All right, guys. So I got this cleared up. I just gotta cut these bad boys out, and then we're gonna get the other collard greens in here. I don't know how these are gonna do because I didn't treat this soil, so we're gonna see.
How about you do a comparison?
What I am gonna do is put that baking soda and cornstarch mixture in my sprayer, and I'm going to spray the soil. So we'll do the experiment on which one is going to do better with it being sprayed and which one would do good with it being directly in the soil. Dre? Good job.
Is that too?
That's cool. I just need to get out of the way over here. So guys, this is a rhizome from the, pause it, what's it? Alright you guys, so this is a greenbrier grape rhizome. This is a starch that the natives used to eat when they were foraging. Some people still forage for this to this day. So what I'm gonna do is use it as a potato, because I done ran out of potatoes, and we're gonna use it as a potato in the soup.
Pudding.
Alright guys, so we done cleared out this space. I think that if the collard greens are gonna do well on this side, what side do you think they're gonna do well on?
I don't know. Actually, I think it's gonna do better on like that side.
That side?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the ground is smooth over there, and it's also, the ground is also pretty has a lot of stuff to keep pests and stuff out.
Oh, because of the mixture I put in there?
Mhm.
Okay. So
And
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a liquid mixture in this one. That one has the powder mixture. Which one you think is gonna do better? This side or that side? Liquid or solid?
I feel like liquid mixture would do better, because since it's like liquid and plants need liquid, and then the soil is also gonna get a lot more moist, making it smoother. So yeah, I think liquid would do a lot
So
better.
here's my reason. I think this side is going to do better because it has a mixture of the soil and sand. And I wish I could have put the powder mixture in this one, because the powder mixture is going to last longer, whereas the liquid mixture is going to be evaporated faster. All right, pause. All right, I'm going to take a bath after this. All right, got it?
Yep.
You guys, I got so many roots and things in here, but that's a good thing, because that means the soil is really good.
And pudding.
All right, you guys, so I got another fiber over here.
How many of these do you got?
So we're going to clear this patch out and put them over here. Pause. All right, you guys, so we have cleared this area out. So now we're just going to put these 5 in the ground.
I feel like you're being a little bit too aggressive with your plants.
You think what?
I think you're being pretty aggressive with your plants.
How am I being aggressive?
I mean, the way you rolled them around like that.
That's to help get them out of the pot. So. You can smell the collard greens. The roots smell like collard greens. Okay.
And
Alright, you guys, so we have put the collard greens in the ground on this side. Pause. We got collard greens on this side, and we got collard greens on this side. Alright, you guys, we almost forgot about this guy again. We're gonna put it at the top right here. It smells like a
can't believe I thought plants didn't have emotions.
yeah, plants have feelings.
Whoa! Donnie, look at me. Did I build a hole already? What the heck? Did you get dig a hole? That's right. You do it.
Alright, we got one border done, I think. Pause. All right, guys, now it's time to water them. You can pause. Ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
All right, guys, this is my mixture.
You guys don't know how bad that thing stinks. Like,
So it's like a fertilizer / pesticide.
Mama.
What?
If we make friends with them, we can go in the neighborhood
Yeah.
and they can go in ours. Oh my God, that's crazy.
Zani, that's not crazy. That's what normal friends do.
What?
All right. Not this one, because this one already has it.
Stop singing. I'm recording.
All right, guys, so now I'm going to trim this back. That thing's strong. And I'm going to use these to make a wreath.
Much better. You. Oh, chica. This stinks. Mama, what are you doing? They're dying. You say?
The owl?
Mama, do we have a pet owl in our woods?
Your grandpa used to have a pet owl.
And then what?
Your dad's dad, he had a pet owl.
I don't know why he doesn't like cats. He doesn't like any animal. He used to have a parrot, an owl. I don't know what happened.
All right, y'all. I'm going to leave that one. And then before winter comes, I'm going to, maybe next week, cut it down. But you guys, that's it for today. I really enjoyed planting my collard greens. That was really exciting. I'm out of breath, as usual. But what we're going to do with these is we're going to take off the leaves, and I'm going to use the stems as a wreath. I'm going to take these inside and harvest them and make something out of them. All right, y'all. So until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoyees, DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.